Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup. We'll dive into a delightful and nutritious recipe that is both simple to follow and incredibly satisfying. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can create a warm, comforting bowl of homemade goodness. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just starting, this recipe is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy a wholesome meal. Get ready to transform fresh ingredients into a flavorful soup that the whole family will love. To begin our culinary journey, let's gather the essential ingredients. You will need a vibrant mix of fresh vegetables, such as 1 cup of chopped carrots, half a cup of green peas, and half a cup of chopped green beans. Additionally, prepare 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. For seasoning, have 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder ready. Finally, ensure you have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Now let's move on to the cooking process. First, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing them until they turn a lovely golden brown, which usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, incorporate the chopped vegetables and all the spices, stirring well and cooking for approximately 5 minutes. Finally, pour in the 4 cups of vegetable broth, bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Garnish with fresh coriander. To enhance your vegetable soup experience, here are some helpful tips and serving suggestions. Feel free to adjust the spice levels according to your taste. You can add a pinch of red chili powder for extra heat or omit it for a milder flavor. If you prefer a thicker consistency, simply blend about 1/4 of the cooked soup before serving. This wholesome soup is wonderfully complemented by a slice of warm, crusty bread or a fresh side salad. This recipe typically yields 4 generous servings and can be prepared in approximately 30 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.